Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So firstly, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest code and probably the most known, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check both the main numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually the easiest one, I would say. It is *#1234#. And as you can see, thanks to this we can open the firmware version, so we can check the color OS version. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the phone software info. It is *#6776#. And as I said, we can check the software version, so we can check the model, baseband version, master date, branch version, OTA version, build time, and the factory version, for example. So quite, let's say, technical info. So let me show you another code which is also quite easy and will open the hardware version. It is *#888#. And thanks to this code, we can enter engineer mode, so here we can check the PCB number. What's more, we've got this QR code which we can scan with another device and check info about the hardware of this Realme. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426###. And here we've got in the diagnostics which are provided by Google. Here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or sign-in level. We can tap on events, and here we've got the state, some further details which are quite technical, I would say. What's more, we can tap on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and since it is marked, we can tap on the status and we can receive much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the code for the calendar. It is *#225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. So let's get back and let me show you the last code actually, which will open the feedback menu. It is *800#. And as I said, we are in the feedback menu, which is quite a cool option because if you meet some strange problems with your device, with the phone calls, Wi-Fi, the stability, overheating, charging, third-party apps, or the keyboard, you can report them. So you can report them to the developer, and the engineers will try to do something to fix it. So for example, if you'd like to report something with the touch, let me pick the touch. You have to tap on it. Your device, if you will turn it on for the very first time, your device will ask you if you want to allow it to record the screen, and I highly recommend to allow it because thanks to this, your device will be able to catch the problems you meet and send it to engineers, which will be quite useful for them because they will see it, right? After tapping on the settings, if you want to, you've got the settings to the touch. So here you can decide what you would like to register, and so on and so on. Quite technical again. So if you'd like to report and wait a second, okay, we cannot tap on screen recording. I'm not really sure why, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, let me focus. If you would like to report something, all you have to do is to enter, for example, touch in my case, and tap on start. Okay, as you can see, we've got the information that we have to restart our phone to capture a valid log for this issue. Do you want to restart? I don't want to do that right now, so let me tap on continue. And as you can see, because I've previously tried to record the touch problems, that's why it did not start it from the zeros, it's counting. But as you can see, our device immediately turned on the pointer location. So thanks to this, your device will be able to catch the problem. So for example, if particular area in your device did not work, for example, let's say this right part of the screen, then thanks to this pointer location, it will be able to catch the problem, to record it, and then show it to the engineers. Of course, if you're happy with the results, if you're happy with this, what you've catched on the video, just upon next, the log will be saved and reported. I will just get back and discard it. Well, so actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.